Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw ice cream. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page and we're going to draw the cherry on top of the ice cream first. And it's going to be a circle shape, but we're not going to finish the circle. We're not going to close it off. We're going to leave a little opening here at the top. Around and back up like that. And now we're going to draw the stem on top of the cherry. And it's a curved line, a slightly curved line like this, starting about here. With a little hook at the end. And then from that hook, back down to here. Like that. And let's close it off like that. There's the cherry. All right, now we'll draw the top of the ice cream with a curved line like this, but don't go through the cherry. We're just going to do a curved line down here and a curved line down there. So right here. That. And like that. Now you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's finish off this scoop of ice cream with some curved lines that kind of wave along the bottom like this. We'll do one right here. Ready? Go. That. And another short one right here. And maybe we'll do a drippy one down here, like a U shape. This ice cream's making me hungry. And two more like that. And then we're going to do two more here, one smaller and one larger, and it loops back up and connects to here. Like that. Okay, let's do one more scoop connected to that scoop right here, below it. So starting here at this point, we're going to do a curved line down like this. And then a smaller U-shaped line here for a drip. And then a slightly curved line here along here, starting here. Like that. And another curved line like this. And maybe a drippy line here like this, another U-shaped line. Like that. And now let's connect it back up to this scoop with a curved line up like this. Okay, now let's draw the cone. The top of the cone is going to be down here, so a straight line that curves at the end, starting right here. Like that. And we're going to have a curved line that goes across it right here like this. Starting here. Do a curved line like that. And then it curves a little bit and then straightens out and connects back to the bottom scoop. Like that. Okay, let's draw the bottom of the cone here, and this is a big sort of V shape that makes kind of a triangle shape at the bottom of the cone. So starting right here, we're going to draw a straight line down like this that's sort of angled. And have it curve a little bit at the bottom there, like that. And now we're going to take that line and go back up and connect it to the bottom of the cone here. like that. It's starting to look like yummy ice cream to me. Okay, let's be silly and make a face on this ice cream. So, we're going to do 2 eyes and a mouth in the middle. So right here, let's draw the first eye, and it's a circle starting up here. We're going to draw a circle around like this, and then a circle over on this side too, to make the second eye, like that. And then we'll put some pupils inside the eyes, so we'll just do a curved C-shaped line that connects to the bottom here like this. Like that. And let's do the same on this side. And let's put some highlights, so we're going to do little tiny circles inside of those shapes on both sides. One here, like that. And one like this. Now let's color them in black. Both of them. Now let's put a little happy mouth in between those 2 eyes here. So a curved smile line starting right here. That. And then we'll do another one and have the mouth open like that. And let's put a little tongue in there. And color in the mouth black. That looks like a happy ice cream cone. Okay, now let's put some eyebrows above the eyes. So little curved lines, one here and one there. Why don't we add some more drippy lines on this ice cream cone's face here? So maybe a curved line like that and a curved line like that. And we'll do the same over on this side too. So starting about here, a curved line like that, and one like that. And maybe just one down here too. Okay, now let's draw some curved texture lines on the cone here and down here. But we'll start right here and we'll draw a curved line down like that, and we'll space it evenly, and then one down like that, and starting here, one down like that. And now we're going to turn our pencil and go the other way, and it'll cross them to make a crisscross pattern. So maybe a little one that goes like that, and then one that goes like that, and here one that goes like that. Maybe one more here, like that. And now let's do that to the bottom part of the cone here. So starting right about here, we'll do one like that. Starting here, one like that. Try to keep them evenly spaced. Starting here, one that goes, wraps and goes down like that. And one here like that. And like that. And now let's do the other way and have them cross over. So starting up here, we're going to do one like that. One like that. That. There you go. Here. And one last one like that. Okay, that's starting to look really yummy. Let's make it a sparkly ice cream cone with some hearts around it. So I think I'm gonna draw a heart up here. One side, and let's draw the other side like this. And maybe we'll do a heart over on this side. Like that. And like that. Drawing hearts is fun. And maybe some sparkle stars. So maybe one up here. And they're kind of curved lines that curve out to a point, and then you connect them all. Maybe a smaller one here. And bigger one here. And maybe we'll do a small one here. All right. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make mine strawberry and vanilla flavored by using pink and a light yellow for vanilla, but you can color yours any way you want. Don't forget to color the drips. We'll do the cone a brownish color, kind of like a brown orange. And now for the cherry on top. And now for the tongue. And we'll make the hearts purple and the sparkles yellow. Don't forget to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.